welcome back. We're going to steam some broccoli, fresh mussels and clams. We'll be using oyster sauce as one of the flavors. And let's talk about the clams and the mussels first. These are cultured mussels, so they've had all the beards and everything removed. You want to make sure that when you tap on them, that they close. Because if they don't close, it means that they're dead. After these are cooked, make sure that they are all open. We're also going to be using hard shell clams. These are called little necks, and they're actually baby quahogs. The same thing. See, this is open a little bit, and when I tap on it, it closes. Heat up our wok. When we sprinkle some water into the wok, it sizzles or dances around. So there you go, you can kind of hear that. We're going to steam these in a combination of rice cooking wine and some soy sauce. We'll put those in, that will start to steam up, and then we'll put in our clams and mussels. We're going to put in some aromatics. Garlic, smash those, chop those up coarsely. Fresh ginger, cut that up. There we go. This is hot. Put these right in. About a half a cup of wine. Sizzle. Like that. A quarter cup of soy sauce. Give that a stir. Put in our clams and mussels. It doesn't matter what order. Spread those around. We're going to cover this. Let that steam. Probably for about 5 minutes or so. Let's start our vegetables. This is a bamboo steamer. We're going to get our water steaming here. I'll talk about that in a second. Break off some broccoli, whatever size you want. Put this right in like that. Got a nice cover here. Let that steam for a couple minutes. So I've cooked up some basmati rice. Let's take a look at our clams. But almost all of them have opened up. Give that a little bit of a stir and let that steam a little bit more. We're going to go back to our broccoli, and you can see that broccoli has turned a bright green. Take some oyster sauce, drizzle that right over the broccoli, and we'll let that steam a little bit more, and that oyster sauce will sink into the broccoli. And let's see if, here we go. So you can see most of the clams, all of the mussels have definitely opened up. I'm going to test one of the mussels. Really good. So now we will add some oyster sauce. So we'll put in like a half a cup there. Get all that ginger and garlic right in there. Shut this wok off now. So let's take a look at our broccoli. There we go. Comes right out of the shell. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.